Hello and welcome to the Daily Nature Journal. I'm in town today in Honiton. It's really cold. You can see the frost. So since I'm in town, I was wondering, where should I go in Nature Journal today? And you pretty much can always rely on a churchyard, especially here in Devon. So this is the old church in Honiton. And they've let the grass grow and left signs saying that they're making this a haven to nature. So I think this is the perfect place to get a little nature journaling in. These old wildlife sites, these little oases in our urban areas are so important. Like, you can hear that road, you can hear the town that's not far away. Allowing these sort of old places to be, it's kind of a good thing that our traditions do allow this, because if you imagine that there were no graveyards and no churches, how much of this land would have been lost, how many of these trees would have been lost. Yew trees, of course, sacred trees, many of which actually predate the churches built near them. You can see the firecrests there, nibbling away. They're such tiny little birds. And you see the goldcrests a lot more often. The firecrests are a bit more unusual. Just up there I can see and hear blue-tits, chaffinches and goldfinches. There's a nuthatch at the base of the tree. Yeah, there he goes. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. This lovely little moment of peace in the town. Please like the video and subscribe if you want to see more of my content. And I'll see you in the next video.